Hey guys, it's your girl Crystal and welcome back to my channel. So today we are in my bedroom because my boyfriend decided that he didn't want to go to work today and now he's in my living room space. So we're here. So today I'm going to show you guys what mask I use when I don't want to use my Indian healing clay and I just want something that's like really quick and super soft and simple. So I use this Freeman mask here. It goes on and it peels like straight off. It's super quick, so I'm just going to show you guys how I use it. Okay, so the one I have is sweet tea and lemon. Lemon helps with like complexion. On here it does say that it's for normal to combo skin. Combo meaning combination. My skin is oily, but I think it still works just fine. It also says it instantly removes impurities and it tones for radiant skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. Funny thing is, I found this, like I was at one of my friend's house and she had it on her bathroom counter and I just started using it because she has really good skin, so I was like, hey, let me just try something that she's trying, and I ended up really liking it. I don't think she even knows that I even used it. I'm not sure if she does or not, but now she does because she's gonna watch this video and she's gonna know that I was talking about her. So it's not even messy, like that's why I like this one so much, because it's not messy at all. The ingredients, there are a few ingredients in here that I'm not about to even try to read off all these ingredients, but I mean, I don't think that there are any bad ones. Oh, I just talked about how this wasn't messy and I just spilled it on my pants because I was holding it open, like down like this. Whatever, it's okay. But yeah, let's put it on like this. And it's so simple. So like once I take it off, literally just put on moisturizer and go to sleep. I just got that in my hair. Whatever, I gotta wash my hair anyways. I'm so mad I got this for my pants though, my leggings. But yeah, this is like one of my, I don't know why they're bumping music right now. Also, I'm gonna be trying like this new, a new product pretty soon that I've been reading up on. I'm trying to get rid of like some of the texture that I have on my skin, and this is supposed, or that product that I'm talking about that I want to use is supposed to help with that. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys pretty soon. Yeah, so I don't want to make this video like too long. I just want to show you guys this. So I want to share like all the masks that I do and like every day. I just had that all in my hair. Well, hopefully it's good for your hair. But yeah. Oh, I want to try the Aztec clay mask on my hair. A lot of my friends have been telling me to do it on your hair, so I'll probably do that too. I'm just spilling all the beans on what my future videos are gonna be. While we're here and while we're waiting for this to dry, you guys need to go ahead and go subscribe, click that bell so you're notified the next time I post a video, which will be every Sunday. Alright, so we're just gonna let this dry and I'll be back. I'm gonna go scare my boyfriend or something. It's starting to dry a little bit. Not all the way yet, but like, probably, did I miss a whole spot right there? Alright, be back. Okay, so I am back. It's been quite some time. I think maybe like 15 minutes, but it's really tight and it's starting to peel up right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. I don't think I mentioned that they have like a lot of different kind. So they have like a cucumber one, they have a avocado one. You don't want to pull at your eye like that, like I just did. Did I mention that they had a chocolate one? And then you can literally see like some of the nasties that were on your face. So I just put them in the garbage. And you can find these at Ulta. They may have them at Walmart, to be honest. And they're like they're around like $4 to $5 at Ulta, I believe. See how like my face already looks like smooth? Just that quick. I'm trying not to get in my eyebrows either. You see some of my texture that I have over here on the side of my face. Oh, my hair was stuck in there. Look at that. A whole piece of strand of hair just came out right there. It'll grow back. Remember, you guys, don't forget down there on your neck. I don't know what he's in there watching. Alright, so it's all off, kind of. Skin feels smooth, looks smooth, a little dry, but y'all know I'm about to fix that. I'm about to moisturize. Alright, so I'm gonna take my rose water as I normally do. Feels so good. I am slightly running out of this. Need some more. Let that dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my toner. I'm still using my Pixie Vitamin C toner. I'm almost out. This did not last very long because I use it at night and during the day. So I was thinking about maybe only using it at night. And then anything that's left over, it'll come off with this toner and with your moisturizer. So I just took my braids out. That's why my hair is like crazy. And then I like to pack that in a little bit more. Make sure it got all in there. Okay. Now my moisturizer, which is still my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I usually put like 3 little dabs on my face. Are you guys using under eye cream? I haven't used the under eye cream yet, or any eye cream, and I feel like I probably should. So you guys let me know which ones you are using in the comments. Alright, so that is it. I'm all done. Happy Sunday fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend and have a good week, and I will see you next time. Bye.